So did you work this weekend?
Yeah.
You good? Dairy? Is that where you working at? Where are you working at?
Jack in the Box.
Yeah.
I wanna play the Taco Bell. I got free tacos. Yeah,
Just because you said you're not new.
oh, he's trying to roast.
You're going there, Dixon. Sí, no te está grabando a ti. Está grabando a la computadora.
¿No?
Mira.
Invade my privacy. Why, miss?
Move, I think.
Thanks for my shirt.
Quarter so
Oh.
just to turn them into the best radio body. It's way harder than I did it.
I just had a recording class.
When I did it, my teacher had to come in and just grade me 3 times. I did it on like 3/4 inch and set it up there. That's exactly. That's exact.
I'll be nice just because of that. I'll be good.
I'm not gonna talk today.
Noise. What's good?
No, we're still missing the Nampa kids. We usually pass to them.
I don't know what to do, but you have too many options.
Go sit behind me.
Yeah.
¿Te calmas o te calmo?
Yeah, mixing all the
You want to be in the camera? Smile, fool.
Only my professors.
Professors?
You know where Bill's at?
What if it dies? I'm gonna stop the. I'm gonna pause the recording.
I went inside.
I get to Noah. Look what I got to change for my hook.
That kid's dark.
Or you want me
There is a TV.
No, why is there less? So you're gonna be I didn't sign no waiver. They can hear you. They can hear everything you say. I didn't sign no us talking. They can hear us. I didn't sign a waiver. You don't have to. By signing up for a waiver, you sign a waiver. You sign sign why you need to use your microwave. Yo, I need more. Okay.
It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be so easy.
She just said.
Somewhere in here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You make a hard order. Sit down.
Hey, dude.
So,
Which picture? Yeah. Quotidian? What's it called? They say? The little root? What about the little root? Nice picture, Brian.
Alright, no, check this out. Check this out. Oh.
Nice.
When we're playing, if when we're playing, how you doing?
You remember Stuart Hill? Stuart Hill? Elion used to mess with him? And he used to be like,
Where's he at?
I don't know, dude. You got that. And they used to be like, they mess around with like, he's like, I know, cool, but no, cool. They used to make fun of get somebody who's
That's funny, dude. Don't you have a number or what? Like on Facebook?
Yeah.
You don't have it anymore or what? You can't do that. You can't come with her just doing one.
Who's got it? Who's got the next two on the first one?
That's a label right there.
Brian, why don't you go up there?
Because I forgot what they're called, man.
Exactly.
I know one starts with a C.
All right, then go.
Need the bottom one on number 1. Who's got
No
it?
pencil.
Have you looked in your notes yet?
I got it.
Dude, I forgot what it's called, bro.
You didn't.
It's Bluma or something like that. That. Humul.
Okay. The first one.
What does it say?
We did this last time, right?
That's
Yeah. Do you know the last one? Look in your notes. Brian.
He knows it.
It's hard to spell though.
It's hard to spell. Can you say it?
No.
Okay, come here.
It's caught as something.
If you don't know how to spell it, sit down.
Yeah.
You got it,
It's on my
Colin?
paper.
Just take a picture.
Perfect. So the plumule, what does the plumule turn into?
Leaves.
Nope.
That.
Stem.
Cotyledonium.
No, good job. Yes.
You actually got it first.
The radical turns into what?
The roots.
Yes. I don't know who said that, but good job. The seed coat and the cotyledons turn into what?
Nutrients for the root system.
They are nutrients, but they also make what? We've said stem and root. What else?
Leaves.
Leaves. Good job. And then the seed coat is broken by what first?
Hypothesis.
Good job, Kevin. Yep, the radical breaks the seed coat first. Okay? So number 2. Where did Brian find this? In the notes, right. This is the definition of germination.
I didn't find
It's
it.
the process by which a plant grows from a seed. Okay. What is needed to conduct an experiment? Cody put down hypothesis. That's our question. What we're looking to prove or disprove by the experiment, right?
Yeah.
What else do we need? 2 other things. No. A method. Good job. We definitely need a method.
I need results.
We definitely need a method so that we can test our question to prove or disprove, right? And then what's the R word that we're looking for, EJ?
Results.
Results. Good job. You guys got this. That. So, those of you going to 212 through 60, what time do you have to be here, Mr. Shason? What time do you have to be here?
If, and I don't know if anybody here is going, if you are traveling with us to 212 through 60 or the Dam Hill, we leave at 8 a.m. So you need to be here at 7:40. Monday. If you're not signed up, 8 a.m. If you're not signed up,
Do we skip school?
We don't skip school, we don't just come to school. Okay? No, it isn't.
All right. So let me go over what we're going to do today. Okay? Woo!
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. Where's the
We
real
still have to
stuff?
work with the beans.
Oh.
We still have to work with the beans.
Yay.
We get to work with the beans.
Yay.
Yeah. We're wait for my executive to warm up here. So, our plan. We are going to define and create a hypothesis. Then we're going to go over the directions for the experiment that we're going to start today. And then we're going to plant some pinto beans, the same beans that we were messing with last time. And then we're going to review our quiz. When's our quiz?
Next year.
Friday. Okay? It's Friday. For what? For plant. Yeah. Okay? So, in this experiment, what we want to know is if the condition of the seed affects its germination. Okay? And to create a hypothesis, we kind of need a structure to use. So I think this one is a good one. We think that, this is just an example, Coke, water, orange juice, vinegar, oil, salt water, milk will evaporate more quickly. What would be our method to test this? Just leave it? What do you mean by just leave it? You know, it says put it in cups. Each would be a different cup, so that we can see the rate of evaporation for each one, right, EJ?
Put them all in the same size, otherwise it may be different.
That's a good point. So what I would like us to do is U3 or U5 right here, U6, 7, 8, U8, because, excuse me, hold on. I'm putting you in groups, okay? That's what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. U7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. U6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. Yes. You guys over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys are working together. Let me tell you what you're going to do. You will create a hypothesis that uses the structure we think that and will. Okay? After your team or your group has deliberated, I want you to come up and write it on the board. Okay? Questions? Deliberate. I asked if you had questions. Do you have any questions? Angel. What does what mean? Deliberate? Yeah. Talk amongst yourselves. Figure it out.
Are we doing that one? We're doing that?
The one that's on the board.
Right about this?
You doing that one?
You're creating your own hypothesis.
For that.
This is an example.
This is not broken, bro, isn't it?
You will create your own hypothesis.
So
Anything that,
anything?
anything you can think of.
Okay.
Okay?
Could be anything. So yes, anything can. Like Brian jumping off the building. He says he's gonna die. I'm not. Battling for research.
So what's in your, what's our date?
Brian, I'll get him.
Should we do, how fast something falls?
Yeah. He says falls.
Your own hypothesis.
Something
Not this one. This is an
that we
example.
can measure?
So one of the ones I got yesterday was
Just start thinking about
study more. They will get
So, maybe we have
What do you guys think about it?
We think that a piece of paper will fall faster.
We think that.
Yeah, I think either a piece of like saran wrap or
You're completely creating your own.
So do we think it'll fall faster or do
This is an example. We think that, like when I got.
I should have done which clothes pennies
They will get.
It's just ball. That paper isn't a sway pen.
Yeah, we'll try to leave it like this, right?
the same size.
How about those papers that we used to make our project? The one that we had to rip off that big roll?
Oh my God.
It could be anything else. No, it could be anywhere. You were doing like a bomb.
I saw ceramic. S-A-R-A-N.
Just sound it out right.
When you finish, put it up on the floor.
Funny, it is like.
Let me see if I can fix it.
Fix it right specific.
No, bro.
Oh, you have the best handwriting. Oh, yeah, that's not right. Handwriting.
He got those necklaces. He got that necklace from those little machines. They put like a coin in and twist.
Do you know how to make electroactive polymers? Trying to make
You're done.
Girls cross it like all the way, but we can't.
I don't know. Wow.
Wow.
I'm not worried.
I was for like 3 seconds.
You need to talk to Brian.
Why?
Yeah, the goodest comment. Yeah, goodest.
I'm the goodest at comedy.
Yeah.
The best.
He does.
Best.
Okay, sorry. He does. Okay, sorry. He does.
I don't pay attention. They say this.
Oh, yeah.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. It's this meme thing.
It's okay, Dixon's here.
Dixon, how does it feel to be a student? Is it fun?
Not even, bro. Wait till she brings out like 8 pages of notes. Then you'll.
You get to take notes. Like you have to take notes like this. You have to take notes like this.
Not like you guys. I'm taking notes. With the kids or like for work? Wow.
It's all about Francisco.
I know, right?
What piece of paper will fall?
I can't read person.
You can't read yourself. Have you ever? I never read smart. Hey, going down. My nose might be.
big one?
Big one down down.
Are you serious? Hey, did you already take one? Alright. Attention back up here, please. Okay. Let's see what everybody got up.
Bang, bang.
Right. We think that, Megan, we think that a piece of paper will fall lower than the same size of saran wrap. Ooh, that's tricky. How are you gonna test that? How many times are you gonna drop it?
3.
3 times? You guys thought this through. Good.
Thank you.
Alright. Hold on, hey, you didn't yell it. We're not done yet. We think that if Americans would eat healthier, they would not be as fat. Okay. A little bit of political correctness. How are you going to test that?
True.
How can we change it to make it easier?
Force everyone on that diet. But 50 fat people in each group and make one eat healthy and put one.
Yeah, healthy.
So let's read it again. Hey, guys. We think that if Americans would eat healthier, they will not be as fat. So what are we missing? We're missing the will ... part, right? We think that if Americans would eat healthier, how are we going to test it?
But everybody.
The Americans eat healthier, but it's healthy.
So you're just going to make a whole bunch of eat
I
healthier?
have an idea. I have an idea. Okay, so you take 2 groups of people, like a small group, like group of 3. Take 2 groups of 3, and you make some people eat like a bunch of salad and all this healthy stuff, and then the other people eat like McDonald's and
That is literally.
crappy
So
stuff.
basically my regular
A
diet.
week, and then you
Okay, listen to her, guys.
more fit.
Okay. So we need some variables here to make it so that we can test it, right? Okay, good. The last one, or we have 2 more. We think that students, excuse me. Thank you. We think that students should get 1 free period a day. Yeah. Because it will give the students a break. We think that if students got a free period per day, it will give them a break.
Can I just say something about that?
Yeah.
Make an observation about that. The juniors and seniors, they get up a period if they're not in the college setting.
Okay.
Wow. So,
So that's a good one too. We think that if students are not allowed to have phones in class, they will pay attention better.
This is like something different. That's a lie.
Maybe we should try it.
Wrote it.
All right.
I wrote it.
For our purposes, I handed you guys a piece of notebook paper, or a piece of paper. What I'd like you to do is fold it in half.
Wait.
I need another one here, maybe.
Not the long way.
Fold it in half.
Yeah.
Good. Hurry up. Let's take that. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Alrighty? Alright. On the front, write observation notebook. Yeah.
Do you have to write it really big, or are we going to do something that's
this is what it should look like. I mean, I already drew on it or whatever, but observation notebook. What are you doing? Exactly. Help me out. Okay? On the inside, I would like you to write our hypothesis for this experiment. Hypothesis at the top. We think that frozen, doesn't matter, whatever side you want. Frozen, heated, soaked, salt-soaked, burnt, filed, and poked seeds will affect what?
How they grow.
How they grow. What word are we going to use for that? Good job, David. The beans germination. Okay? Write that to the inside of your observation notebook.
We write every single word.
Yes.
Do we write everything?
Yes, we do.
Why not ask you that question?
Oh.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Yes. Stop.
We think that frozen sugar is
So after we do our experiment, this is where we will write our notes. This is where we will keep track of our experiments. Okay? It's 1 sentence.
It's not a paragraph. Second.
You can get it later, okay?
No, I need it right now.
All right. Don't freak out. You'll have time at the end to complete this if you're not finished. We're going to move on. Okay? You'll have time. Don't worry. The directions for this experiment are out there. Before you come to me and ask me for questions, look for this page first. Okay? There's several copies. This is how you will figure it out. Okay? Let me run through it really quick. What we're going to do is fill 4 packs with soil. Okay? And we're going to plant beans with different treatments. Okay? So what you will do first is fill your 4-pack with soil. Then you will get 4 tags, they are yellow. You will write on them your initials. This is important so that I know which ones is your class. Okay? Write your initials. Also write on 1 tag, control. Okay? What is a control? Josie.
Just a regular. Just a normal.
Like a normal bean.
Okay, so you have the right idea. It is something that has nothing done to it, right? The one variable that stays the same. Okay, next. You will choose 3 treatments. The 4th is your control. Angel, paying attention? Okay. The 4th is your control. You can choose from frozen, heated, soaked, salt soaked, burnt, filed, and poked. Okay? All the ones that don't have beans at their stations, you will get the bean out of the control. Okay? Write the treatment on the rest of the tags. So you will have your initials on all of them, control, and your other 3 treatments. Okay? Questions so far? No? Okay. After, apply each of those chosen treatments to 2 seeds. 2 seeds will be placed into one compartment of a 4-pack. Okay? You will have 1 4-pack. That's all you need to fill up. Okay. Plant each of the treatments about a fingernail length into the soil of each compartment. You'll have 8 beans total. Questions?
So like a fingernail length, like this layer, this layer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Remember to place your tags in the correct compartments. So as you go, put the tag in, label it, okay? This is individual, okay? Place your 4-pack in one of the flat trays that's on the table next to the table that you will see. Everything is out in the shop, okay? After you're done, begin your observation notebook. Take notes. On the table in shop are some details, okay? You should make those details. If you have any questions about what to do, come to this notebook. It will show you, okay? On this page. Victor.
Just because I've done this thing a million times, it's really, really important that you guys are as detailed as you can possibly be when you're trying to say, like, if you're going to burn your seeds, like, where are you going to burn them on the seed? How much did you burn them? Where are you going to file it? How much did you file it? So having really, really detailed notes is really important. Reason why, I don't anticipate anything awesome happening, but like, you have like the beanstalk coming out that's this big and it's just all, I don't think that's going to happen. But if it does happen, I mean, we need to have some really, really detailed notes on why that happened so that we can test it again later to say, like, hey, we think we found something that's going to increase germination rates in beans. I mean, think about, like, what would happen if we actually did find something that, like, it's the most amazing thing that's happened in the bean industry in 50 years, and we're just playing around with, like, doing some, like, data collection stuff, right? So we want to make sure that what we're doing is very, very clear, and so that if we do get some crazy good results somewhere, that we can test that again, but we have to know exactly how to test that again the exact same way. So how long were they soaking for? How much salt was in there? How hot was the oven? Where'd you file it? Where'd you burn it? And so even if you have to draw a picture and say, hey, I burnt this end or whatever, like, make sure that you're really, really specific on that, and that'll help so much when you guys write your lab reports. You have a really big lab report on this with like 100 points in like a month, and if you take really, really good notes, it helps so much.
And then when you come back to the classroom, there will be a review set up for you, okay? On that review, there's just going to be questions laid out around the classroom. You'll write down the questions, look up the answer in your notes. This will help you do well on the quiz next time, okay? Questions before we go out there? Leave your observation notebooks here. You can come get them when you're done, okay? Here is our table that we will work around. This play in the shop will not be tolerated. I will just say that right now. I will have to go back into the shop room. So this, yeah. Okay. All right. So your 4 packs are here. Your labels are gone. As we get started, we'll have everything out here. But as you look around the table, there are different treatments, okay? Those will be there. First, what I'd like you to do is get soil into your 4 pack. Okay? Here's the directions. If you have questions on what's next, look here first, then come out. Okay?
See me there. Give me one, Brian.
Dude, we get a torch of
Find labels?
Wait, do I get to use this?
We all gotta use this,
Oh,
yeah.
sweet. Actually get a burn.
Found them. Put right over top, yeah.
You need help with that next time?
Can I help you, Biz? You hurt me. It's not dirt.
Make it level. You guys make it level. Okay? He's got him.
Where's the tag?
Can you tell when that's on the tag?
Take this. Read it.
No, you didn't get enough dirt.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I did.
Read it.
She said it has to be level.
It is on.
It's not level.
Get 4 tags and labels level.
Like even.
What? It has to be level.
What do we do?
Hey.
Fill that thing up about like this, okay? Be taller.
No, that's not the part that's freaking me out. Ah!
You're always in my way.
Oh, don't say that. Oh my god.
Scared of worms? I saw 3 worms. Oh, there's one right there. Language. I can't even.
I'm gonna throw it at you.
JP. So you're right on top? No. Say label with your initials. And also write JP.
No. Why do you do it on 3?
Okay, give us a yellow turkey.
why'd you put control on one exactly?
I'm just kidding.
Everybody has to control.
Oh,
Yeah,
we're
just
only
kidding.
we're only doing 3 things to one. Like, we're doing 3 things to 3 beans, right? Like 1 for each.
About 3 things to 6 beats.
Brian, will you hand me this?
Oh, we're doing. Oh, okay.
You gotta shut up in class.
What?
You shut up in class. Stop.
Wait, what's the difference between heated and burnt?
What?
What's the difference between heated and like burnt? Is it the,
The heated ones.
you just like put this over it like burnt?
No, the heated ones are bad. And oven for like
So do I just grab 5 of each of these?
Hot days.
yeah, you need to have your names on them.
Yeah, EJ. It says initials.
So then we put the ones that we're gonna do, right?
Yep. And if you guys want to get crazy and get soaked beans out and then warm them up with this, you can do soaked and burnt. If you wanted to.
Where would I find the frozen soap beans?
I think they're in that bag. They've been in the freezer for like 5 days.
So there's salt, water, and then no, there's
There's a salt soaked and there's a regular soaked.
oh.
Oh, those are heated. Oh, those are warm. You scared me a little bit.
Huh? So,
You guys are doing your flag.
is it soap? SOA? Soap. And the K? Yeah, so mine. Okay.
It's okay. You put
I
salt
don't
on
know
there.
what I put.
If you put salt on there, so is one labeled control?
Wait, Mr. Dixon, so I could like file one and burn it.
Oh, whoops. Forgot what I was doing.
One's heated.
Don't pack it down too much. Yeah.
So which one's salt?
This one.
So,
This one.
this one's salt. This one's salt. Where's the file?
You'll get one of those little direction pages to read it.
Yeah. Get the flavors. They're different. How they both soak. This one's just soaked.
Okay, where's the regular seeds at?
What is this one?
Can you hand me that direction page?
What is this one?
That's the control.
This is control.
So there's 2 beans for each treatment. So you'll have 8 total. 2 in each compartment. Where are the regular ones?
Are you sure these are the usual?
What? Where are the regular ones?
Where are the ones that we're supposed to file?
Right there in front of Michael.
Where are the ones that we file? I want one to burn.
To Michael.
Where's
Salt,
I mean,
soap.
They're right here in blue. Oh, okay.
White the blue?
Which ones are the ones that we burn?
White the ones in blue over there in that blue little dish?
Is that regular? No, this is salt.
Where's the blue ones?
Where are they?
You will get them out of the salt.
Wait, I thought they weren't supposed to be wet.
Well, you guessed wrong.
And I will go get you a file.
Look at all the dirt on my hand.
Why am I freaking? So start on a different treatment, okay?
I already did all of them. I want to burn this one.
You want to burn it? I just don't like worrying about that. Is it one supposed to be
Can you burn this?
So one is supposed to be the salt. Okay.
Can you burn this? Or do we burn it?
You have 2, right?
Well, I have one. 2 seeds?
We put one in each, right?
Why are we burning 2?
Because we need 2 seeds in every compartment.
I'll do. So that means I need one more.
Here.
Where's the file? Right here?
Two?
See how far.
Told me to go get file. Here. Where's the file? Shut up! Play it!
The yellow Sharpie?
Let me get my little.
Yeah, I need to.
Are these the frozen ones? I think these are frozen.
Guess what?
I think these are frozen.
They didn't give a shit.
These are the people. They're just like throwing it there. Where's the bird?
Hey, Brad, the bird, you have to burn yourself.
So what are they controlling?
Oh, dude. Oh, God.
Wow.
Wait, so
Wait, what's the salt one?
But sure,
the control. That's the control. Yeah, it is.
I'm doing your way.
Ah, put it on the wrong side.
You're done.
Salt.
Yeah, it's all what? Find a direction. Okay, read it.
Yeah.
It would be wet. What?
First reactor.
That's what's this one?
I'm alright, neither do I.
Why
You put the two seeds there. Wait, what?
Oh, hey, wait. Soap and control.
Yeah, like whatever you're doing. My control.
Where's the
Do you
regular
have
soap?
seeds yet? Do you have seeds? Okay, then good. Where's the second one? I'm not.
Yeah, at least one of them.
I think it's the same color.
Yeah, they're in the. No, they're the. Like you put like finger there to make it like fingerling, like gelling. And then you get two seeds and put them in there.
That's, I don't know.
For all of them. Yeah.
In one? In the control?
Give me two of those controls.
This is over there. She's
Lieutenant, so this is let's just control. She's burning on that. Salt one? Okay, first. No, that was control. Yeah. Fine.
We'll give you extra course and stuff this week.
Yeah, salt. That's salt. That's salt. I don't know what salt is.
Wait, how do you poke them?
These are salt. These ones are control. That's control.
So these ones are those are salt. The heat ones?
Wait, you can file all of it?
No, you can file as much as you want. These are the controls. Oh, we don't have burns. We have burns. Yes? These are controls? Where? Oh my god, I can't believe you're on
I'm so pissed right now. I don't even know.
Is this filed? I don't care if this is filed.
They're not. No,
Brian, what's this called?
She's like, that's charming.
I'm Oh, here's
Dylan, Dylan.
I did it.
Will you give these to her so she'll burn them?
Yeah.
What smell?
How do we watch the regular seats?
You don't want it.
It's control.
Nothing.
Which ones do we file?
Are these control?
Yeah,
It says control, but then where's the soap? Salt and soap.
Which is soap?
Salt and soap.
So this is soap.
Yeah, that's soap.
What about soap?
Was like, this one's controlled.
Let's just kill it. Let's just have nothing left and just face it. And just like nothing happens. Well, it's gone. Oh, I broke it in half. Oh wait, I think I know what we're supposed to do.
Well,
I think we're supposed to
she
do.
got my mixtape in her.
Hey, can you hand me two of the control ones?
Do you think I really give a shit? How many do we need? 2?
Is that one too?
No, I want the one. What the heck?
What?
Is there a difference between control and soap?
There it is.
Yes. Control should be straight, like dry beans.
It says control, but this is soap.
Yeah.
Yellow.
There's no control. That's what I said.
Where's the control detail?
Oh well.
The word says
I'm so done, dude. I don't even need
soap.
You're out of here.
I thought they were supposed to be dry. So I guess there's not. So control soap.
These are salt, I believe.
Those ones are soap, the other ones are...
Yeah, what? What is salt? Make file.
Where's file?
file, you have to get a file and file the control. Mr. Dixon, what do we do when we're done?
Let me see it. I already done. Brush.
Yeah, I think what it'll do
We need to go have it done ourselves. I think she's doing it. Exactly. Steal it.
Where's the black trace?
And we need seats. I don't even care anymore, bro. I'm so done.
I'm done with you, Carlos. I'm done with you.
I know! Somebody stepped in my shoe.
Sorry.
What? That one?
Yeah, that one.
So cute.
What beans do we get for heated?
This one. No, not the bird.
The controller's just normal beans.
I don't even know, bro.
That one.
I'm so confused. I don't even know.
No. Grab a bean. Sure. Get the fire yourself. I don't know. I'm trying to ask.
Just file it.
Hey, for that. Hey.
Okay, where are the normal like questions?
What are we doing? We're doing.
I don't even know. To be honest, bro, I just used every single one.
What were you doing? You used to burn.
Burnt? These are just heated.
These are heated. Burnt, you go burn.
Oh, shit.
I need what do you do with the poke ones? Where do you, hey, where do you get the normal beans to poke them? These are normal beans.
Where do we put these?
Ew, there's, I told one of my last names, but it's Are you doing fine? Hey, you just take one of these. These are the normal beans. Are you just take one of the normal beans and pile them?
Yes.
You gotta have different.
I'm gonna poke it. I'm gonna poke it. I'm gonna poke it. I'm gonna poke it.
You gotta take this one test.
That's what happens. Can I go to the bathroom?
How many times do we poke it?
I got what are you doing? I got one normal.
So Kristen, should we get those questions out?
These are.
There, I poked it.
When I get in there.
Which one's my poke pile? There you go. You're poked, little buddy.
Yeah, go ahead and take 2 of those.
Where, how long?
You're having fun piling it.
And you burn. Try to stay away from
Way to go. We'll just shove that little guy back in there. Here you go, little buddy. I grabbed like... Okay. I'm done. What? Okay, well, we didn't get to finish. Yeah, we didn't get to finish, but transfer has to go.
Anybody not here? Well, we're gonna look and then you can let Dylan make theirs for him so we don't have to get all this stuff back out of it.
See it burn?
Hey, Fraser, you want someone to turn this torch off? Oh, yeah. They just got it running out here.
Nixon logic. Well, looks like we can get this to burn in. Then you go up in flames.
Small life. My eyebrows are singed off. That was cool.
On, let me go.
What is the difference?
This is soap. This is hot. Oh, okay, why are you doing it? Salt? I believe it's this one. I just
Is this salt soap?
This is salt soap.
Good, I didn't put it.
Okay, let's do one more.
Do we need 2 of each?
None of this.
Do we need 2 of each?
You should have 2 beans in each hole. Well, plan with different holes if you can, but 2 beans in each compartment. Okay, I want you to take 2 frozen beans over there.
And like once I'm done doing it, I have to post this.
You go to the little world icon. Look at the. You have options.
Okay.
One of them will be share drawing.
Okay, yeah, the bag.
You did.
You did the first
How do you know?
Yeah. Alright.
Dixie, you got a spare Sharpie on you?
I do.
Bunch of Sharpies over here.
It's dead.
Here, I'll take that dibble. Grade it.
It's all getting ground to me.
Yeah.
Kyle.
Huh? Cloud is grab, I believe, let's see. No.
These are
Grab one.
salsas and
You grab one of the seeds. Huh.
What?
stop the video.
Oh, I got the recording.